Welcome to our plant care tutorial. Today we delve into the art of watering, a crucial aspect for your plant's well-being. Balanced watering is the key to a thriving garden. Let's explore the delicate balance your plants crave. Overwatering suffocates roots, while underwatering leads to dehydration. Finding the equilibrium is the goal. Understanding your plant's water needs is like deciphering a secret code. Each plant has its unique thirst. Let's debunk the myth that all plants need the same amount of water. Diversity in watering requirements is nature's beauty. For beginners, fear not. We're here to guide you through the maze of watering do's and don'ts. Picture this: your plant, content, and vibrant, all thanks to your mindful watering routine. It's a rewarding journey. Achieving the perfect watering balance is an ongoing learning process. Patience and observation are your allies. Remember, it's not just about watering, it's about nurturing. Your plants will thank you with lush foliage and blossoms. In the world of plant care, precision matters. Let's fine-tune your watering skills for a green paradise at home. As you embark on your plant care journey, remember the golden rule. Balance is the secret ingredient to a flourishing garden. So, next time you reach for that watering can, think balance. Your plants will thrive, and your garden will bloom with vitality. We hope this tutorial has shed light on the importance of balanced watering. Your plants deserve the best care, and you're on the right track. Thank you for joining us on this plant care journey. Remember, a little love and the right amount of water can work wonders for your green companions. Stay tuned for more plant care tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting, and may your garden bloom beautifully. Discover the joy of nurturing your plants. Balance, care, and attention will create a flourishing oasis in your own home. Let your plants thrive with the gift of balanced watering. Your green thumb will only grow greener with each mindful drop. Embrace the rhythm of watering, a dance between nature and nurture. Your plants will dance with vitality in return.